The following message is being broadcast on behalf of the United States Federal Bureau of Investigations and Central Intelligence Agency. This is not a test. At 2:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, multiple explosions and ground vibrations were reported in the southeastern United States and parts of the northern East Coast. These explosions have been traced to multiple localized bombs within the urban metropolitan areas of the affected region. Civil authorities have issued these explosions as a terrorist threat and are working actively to neutralize any possible source of these attacks. Damage is unknown and affected areas are ordered to shelter in place. Do not evacuate. Repeat, do not evacuate. If you leave your current city or county limits, you may be subject to martial law. The suspension of all civil liberties has been enacted in order to keep you and your community safe in the presence of this life-threatening circumstance. Stay in your homes, businesses, or vehicles at the time of receiving this message. Major roadways across the southeastern and eastern coast will be closed and blockaded in order to ensure the safety of you and your community. Critical Response Command personnel will be dispatched to every area of suspected danger, and contact with civilians is likely. If you are in the presence of a Critical Response Command team or personnel, stay calm, listen to the officer, and follow all orders carefully. Important note, if you are in a position of guidance or are the guardian of an adopted adolescent, your child may be escorted from your residence or purview in accordance with martial law and the CRC Protection Act. Do not evacuate. Repeat, do not evacuate.